Hello, I'm Geralin Thomas. My first name, Geralin, rhymes with the names Carolyn and Marilyn, but it's Geralin with a G. If you can imagine that you're looking at a clock, that's me in the 12 o'clock position. I'm pictured here with 5 of my very best friends. In the 2 o'clock position is branding, and at 4 o'clock is marketing. Sales is at 6 o'clock, advertising is at 8 o'clock, and finally that's PR at 10 o'clock. I'm a home organizing consultant, also known as a professional organizer. In addition, I'm an instructor for the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals, also known as NAPO, and I'm a career coach for professional organizers. Since starting my business, Metropolitan Organizing, in 2002, it's safe to say that I've learned a thing or two about creating, launching, and growing a business. And just like everyone else on social media right this minute, I'd love to share the highlights only reel of my career, which include being on TV. I've appeared in about 24 episodes as a subject matter expert on the Emmy-nominated TV show Hoarders, which aired on A&E and Lifetime. Before that, I was on a TV show called Time Makeover as a time management and productivity expert. I've been quoted in a lot of hoity-toity publications, including Huffington Post, Brides Magazine, Consumers Report, Real Simple, and TV Guide. I've done paid commercial work with national brands like Glade, Lysol, and Office Depot. I'm the author of 2 books, and one of them has been translated into 6 languages. In 2013, my peers named me Best Chronic Disorganization Expert, and in 2018, I received NAPO's President's Award. I even have a Wikipedia page, and if you don't believe me, just search Geralin Thomas. Sounds like I'm #living the dream, right? Well, the truth is, like most business owners, I've had more than my fair share of bumps in the road, and despite it sounding like a cliche, my career really has been a journey. One day, as I was about to step aboard the Hot Mess Express, 5 women persuaded me to join them on a different train, the Success Express, which was heading in the opposite direction. These 5 fabulous women taught me many wonderful things about business, and I'd like to share those things with you. But you'll need a proper introduction to them first. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and join me in video number 4, where I'll introduce you to branding. And please, check out my 4-hour branding and marketing class at napo.net, or schedule a 60-minute coaching call with me at metropolitanorganizing.com.